she would always be there to support. She would always be there to say, Jackie, kaya mo yan. And not only to me, I've met so many here who have told me that Jose Marichan earlier said, no one ever knew me. I was fresh out of college. Your mom guested me in your evening with Benita. Another person said, you know, I wasn't known, but your mom told Kuya James, uy, i-guest mo nga ito, magaling yung tao niya. You know, my mom was, hindi siya madamot. Hindi siya madamot sa salita, hindi siya madamot sa advice na binibigay niya, you know. And my mom was such a trooper. Siya yung parang Asia's Queen of Song siya. Pero pag nag-show siya, wala siyang entourage. Isa lang yung kasama niya. Walang yung mga iba, 10 tao or ano. Yung namin ko hindi. Nakaupo lang kayo sa isang tabi. I was able to do shows with her, and of course, as artists, you have your own dressing room. Pero yung nanay ko nagpapalit dun sa side. Uy!